To the Thursday live analysis. So today is Thursday. We just had our news on the USD, which is the unemployment claims. And as usual, I'm going to be analyzing live to show you guys what I'm expecting. So as this is on the 4 hours, don't forget we still have a sell bias, which have been on for the past week. So you see we had a pullback, but I still expect a continuation to the downside. Now after this particular news, this is a very good spot to jump in. Okay, so I'll be looking, though I'm already on this trade, but this is for high risk, so I'll probably be taking a trade on a different account, maybe risking a little less because I'm going in full. So this is what I'm expecting. I want you guys to come along with me on this ride. I won't be sharing this because I don't want people blowing their accounts while they're trying to copy. Again, because I do have my risk management rules, which I cover in my course, my full course. Of course, my strategy is free. You can have access to all my trading patterns, what I use to determine a buy or sell. But this is just for our Thursday live trade. So you see I'm expecting a short, and I probably will keep holding this, but this is the trade we've had for the past week or so. So we've been holding this for a while, and I'm still holding because this is not done yet. So I still have my sell. I'm just going to shift this a little. So you can see we started from here and then we had a pullback, and now I'm expecting the continuation to the downside. But this is a good opportunity for me right here, and that is because we just had the unemployment claims. Okay, again, it's always important for you to understand what the news is saying if you want to be a successful trader. It doesn't matter what anybody tells you. You need to always include the fundamentals in your trading, and one of the most important fundamentals in trading the AUDUSD is the US unemployment claims, which I covered in a previous video on fundamentals you should always look out for when trading AUDUSD, right? So with that said, this is my analysis for the day. This is what I am expecting, and you can see I have a trade right here on the 5 minute. This is of course for lower time frame trading, but I focus mainly on longer time frame trade. And the reason why I'm jumping on this is because of course we have a sell bias. We've had a sell bias for like the past 3 weeks. This is the 3rd week now, and I'm still holding. So let's see how much we can get from this trade, and I hope you enjoy my trading pattern. It's very easy, very easy. You can find videos explaining how I'll be able to get on this trade today on my other videos where I explain how to get my entries using AUDUSD and USD card. That exactly explain what I just did here, but you also have to add your fundamentals. You also have to include your risk management, which is very important. Okay, I'm still trying to figure out how to start a live video or a live trading session on YouTube. So with time, as soon as I figure it out, we'll be going live every Tuesday and Thursday. So with that said, I hope you enjoy your day and see you all at the end of this trade. So I'll be holding this trade for a while. I probably will be holding it for a long time. I can't say, but I'm still expecting a sell. Now my sell, of course, I'm expecting it to get to this point, but I don't really expect it to break this low, though it might, depending on how fast this drops. But this is my target entirely, but not necessarily. Depends on I have 2 other factors I'm checking to balance my trade, to know if I'm jumping out or I'm staying on my trade. So with that said, this is the end of this video. I'm expecting a sharp sell on the AUDUSD, and I'm on it. I've been on it for the past 2 weeks, and I just added a new trade with a smaller amount, so I probably will be sharing screenshot of that particular trade with you guys. So with that said, this is the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is the Thursday live trading session with the AUDUSD trader. Stay tuned, subscribe, follow my live trade, and make some money. See you all in my next video, guys.